So let's begin now with unboxing. As you can see, we have the name right here, and we have a picture right here to kind of know what we are dealing here. We have some explanation here: wrist shape wireless Bluetooth earbuds, and as always we have some information right here. It says 100-day in standby time. We have 15-time charging, working time 7 hours, Bluetooth 5.0. And the sides, as you can see, we have original voice experience, built-in charging box, and destructive design. In the back we have more specification about these earphones. You can see the name, Bluetooth headset. We have the model version 5.0, as I said, of Bluetooth. We have the frequency and all these in details. The battery, as you can see right here, 300 mAh is the cabin, as it says here, and we have 50 mAh per earphone. So we have quite a few information about these earphones in the box. Let's go ahead and open them up, see what we got more. As you can see, immediately we can watch the wrist, or the cabin as it says in the package. I like to call it a watch because it looks like a watch, and it has a watch bands. As you can see, it's a little big, but if you are running, you can put this in, put your earphones in the ear, and keep running without any problem. You can see the package. We have here the earphones. Is a little difficult to take them out because we have some protection with styrofoam, so they are protected while they are shipping. You can see right here these earphones are a little bit larger than we are used to. I put some earphones in the back so we can see different types of earphones while we are unboxing these ones. Next we have this little package right here. And as you can see, first we have some spare earphones pieces, and also we have the cable to charge the cabin. This is a very long cable, but it's very useful. You can see the package is very good. I like it. It's very protected and big enough to put all of these things. So let's get back to the earphones now. As you can see, they are a little larger than we are used to. Let me just take one of these. We unboxed these one a while before. If you want to see that, go to our channel, you can find it. And as you can see in the size difference, they are pretty much bigger, twice as big as these ones. But I hope they are good enough so we can use them. And actually, let's try the cabin first. As you can see, it has a magnet and it's very hard to pull it. It won't open while you're running. As you can see, these fits right in their places, and now they are charging. You can see that this particular earphones are pretty useful with this cabin to power them on and off, and also charge them. So let's go ahead, bring a phone here and test these earphones. As you can see, I open out now the YouTube. I have the earphones right here. I'm going to press it and hold it. As you can see, they both just turned on. As you can see now, we open the YouTube right here. We have our earphones right in front of us. We powered them on. As you can see, the lightning. So we have to go now to Bluetooth, pair new device, and as you can see, we have HM50. Allow access to contacts, and now the HM50 are connected. We have to go now to the YouTube, press one song, and we are ready to listen. I'm going to put them in my ear and try to tell you my impression. So let's go ahead, put them right in. These earphones are a little big, but they fit in your ear perfectly. The earpiece, it's not so comfortable as I thought, and I had tried more comfortable earphones, but these are not too bad either. So let's go ahead, tap once, and that should play the video. You can see right here now the video is playing. Let me just, the volume is all the way up. These doesn't have too much sound. I still can't hear myself a little bit, but the sound is alright. It's clear and pretty good for using them while you're running or in the gym, whatever activities you're doing. The sound is great, but not enough volume. So let's test the tap options that these earphones have. Press once to play and pause. Double tap. It will change the song, or in this case the video. As you can see, it changed it in the other video that was next. Let's test the left one if it has other options or the same one. Press once, pause and play. Twice, it will change the song as well. So the left one, it will play the previous song. So that's a good options for these earphones, and that's pretty much it that we can say about these earphones. So guys, this was all for today's video in testing the HM50. If you have any questions, suggestions, feel free to comment down below and we will try to reply to you all. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next video.